What's going on YouTube? Modding that back at you. Once again, I do not have my camera stand, so I do apologize if the video gets a little shaky at all. Just wanted to, again, give a quick update on the build. So, air cleaner, got that pretty much ready to go into paint. Went ahead and opened up the end of this, so it's actually visible through. Let me flip that over so you can kind of see the reflection. So there we go. And of course with that, I accidentally poked myself with the knife. So yeah, got the wheels all finished up, got all the white walls in, got the outer rims just put into place just to kind of make sure they fit, make sure everything looks good. Distributor is pretty much ready to go. I just need to finish up the paint on the bottom and then nip it off. But I got the wires painted in Tamiya rubber black, so the wires are all ready to go. The bottom was painted in Vallejo red, actually after undercoating with Mr. Color 385 just to kind of get a dark red undershadow or undercoat. Bulk of the work tonight though was on this beauty right here, this front grille. So took and carefully cut out the backing of this. If I had it to do over, I would have actually used the tool that I used at the end, which was a scriber, just to scribe all the way around. Took a little while to get through it, but yeah, it would have definitely been the cleanest way to cut it out. Did nip into quite a bit of the plastic all the way around it, so went ahead and used a little bit of Molotov refill. Just brush painted it, all the way around. So let's see here on the top as well, and then got the outer part all dropped in, including the spider. So took about maybe an hour worth of time to do, but given kind of a comparison between that and what would have been on there, which would have been this piece right here, there's really no comparison. Having the actual PE really does set it off and makes it look so much better. Trying to cut all of the webs out and stuff like that would have just been impossible to do. The only thing I do kind of wish, looking at the real car and stuff like that, is the metal that makes up the spider webs is a little thick. That's the only real complaint that I would have, is that it's a little thicker. Again, though, I don't think you could actually make it thin, as it would have been on the real car. It would have just been too darn fragile and would have broke more times than not. The spider, just in case if anybody happens to catch on, the spider is a little bit out of place. It's a little bit closer to the center of the web than what it was on her car, but I think it's close enough for rock and rolling for me. So, yeah, so far moving along fairly well. So, actually, one other item I did get done tonight was I have the blue sprayed on. I had a Tester's acrylic Ford blue. French blue, I think was the name of the color, which was for GM and Fords. So went ahead and sprayed that down. To be honest, I am not a fan of acrylic paint. It looks beautiful now, but it just was a pain in the butt to spray. I literally had to just flood the part to get this solid of a color and stuff like that. So not exactly my favorite, but yeah, live and learn. So, yeah, that is the build update for now. So, hopefully, you guys are enjoying the series, and hopefully, you'll be able to have this done and get the reveal video up by Halloween. So, you guys might start getting some doubles here. Probably starting with this video, you'll get this part and then the next part on the same day, just so I can get caught up and get this out for Halloween. So, again, if you have any questions, comments, definitely post them down below, and I will catch you later. Peace.